What is the process to find the IP address of a Roku device using its serial number?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will learn about the process of finding the IP address of a Roku device using its serial number. This can be useful if you need to access your Roku device over the network or troubleshoot any connectivity issues. So, let's get started.
Gathering information.
The first step is to gather the necessary information. You will need the serial number of your Roku device. You can usually find this on the bottom or back of the device, or you can check the device settings or Roku account for the serial number.
Accessing the router's web interface.
To find the IP address of your Roku device, we will access your router's web interface. This allows us to view a list of devices connected to the network along with their IP addresses. To access the router's web interface, follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser on a computer or mobile device connected to the same network as your Roku device. 2. In the address bar of the web browser, enter the default gateway IP address. This is the IP address of your router. Common default gateway IP addresses include 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. If you're unsure, you can usually find this information in the router's manual or by contacting your Internet Service Provider, ISP.
Logging into the router.
After entering the default gateway IP address in the web browser, you will be prompted to log into your router. Here's how you can log into the router. 1. Enter the username and password for your router. These credentials are typically provided by your ISP or set by you during the initial router setup. If you don't know the username and password, consult the router's manual or contact your ISP for assistance.
Finding the Roku device.
Once you have successfully logged into the router's web interface, you should see a dashboard or settings page. The exact layout may vary depending on your router model. Look for a section or tab that displays connected devices or client list. This section will list all the devices currently connected to your network. 1. Locate the Roku device in the list. The serial number of your Roku device may be displayed alongside the device name or MAC address.
Finding the IP address.
After identifying your Roku device in the list of connected devices, you can now find its IP address. The IP address is usually listed in the same row as the device name or MAC address. 1. Look for a column labeled IP address or something similar. The IP address of your Roku device will be displayed in this column. It typically consists of 4 sets of numbers separated by dots, such as 192.168.0.100. Congratulations! You have successfully learned the process of finding the IP address of a Roku device using its serial number. Remember, gathering the serial number, accessing the router's web interface, logging in, and locating the Roku device in the list of connected devices are the key steps. Once you find the IP address, you can use it to connect to your Roku device over the network or troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Take care, and see you in the next video.